Good morning, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shoutout especially kay Sir Nalds. Sir, good morning. Ito na po ang yung unit. So, tatest natin, video testing, and at the same time, mag-review din tayo. Gagawin natin na review ng unit nyo. This is the High Kappa T-Rex. This is the semi-automatic version made in Taiwan by WE. Okay, this is the box. Ayan. So, we will now unbox your unit. It comes with the owner's manual. And this is the magazine. 30 rounder capacity magazine. This is also metal. Comes with the mounting plate for the red dot sight. And of course, the High Kappa T-Rex. So, ayan, High Kappa T-Rex. This is ambidextrous na po, no? Okay, ambidextrous manual safety. Fiber optic sight rear, fiber optic sight front, adjustable yung sight niya, elevation, serrations on rear, serrations on front, cut on slide, then may cut din siya dito each side, then accessory rail, so you can put some flashlight here, threaded barrel. As you can see, mayroon siyang thread. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng tracer units. Okay, stapled grip na siya. So as you can see, the design of the grip is stippling. And skeletonized na yung hammer, yung trigger. And also a skeletonized hammer. Extended beaver tail. So this is functional also. Okay, magwell na rin siya, naka-magwell. Okay, so ang galing niya, meron na siyang markings. Okay, markings. Yan. Okay, this is the High Kappa T-Rex semi-automatic version. Okay, and it comes with free number 12 standard power Pop Dino gas, green gas, and 0.23 grams 4,000 shots BBs. Kasama na siya sa packet. And yung order nyo, sir, na SITAC holster. This is the universal holster. So, pwede siya sa kahit anong model. Yan. Fits most popular full size and compact semi-automatic pistol. So, this is universal holster. Saan lang natin. Okay, yan. So, na-adjust ko naman na yan. Yung kanyang, na-adjust ko na po yung mga screws. Ayan. So, lagay nyo na lang. Then, this is the lock. Ayan. Then, lagay. Hindi siya mahuhulog. Ayan. Hindi siya mahuhulog. Kasi nakalock siya. Then, release. Just press this one to release. Ayan. Okay. And then, yung order nyo po na extra magazine. This is the High Kappa 5.1 magazine extra. Buksan lang natin. Ayan. So, bali, magiging dalawa na yung magazine nyo, sir. Okay, so itetest din natin to later on. Magazine niya. Okay. So, ngayon, lagyan natin ng BBs para ma-chrono test natin. So, tatas ko yung gas mo, sir, kung nagkakarga ba. So, ayan, wala pa siyang gas. So, kapag lumulubog pa po ito, ayan, lumulubog pa po yung valve na yan, gumagalaw, ibig sabihin po, wala pa po siyang gas. Okay, so lagyan natin ng gas. Inverted position lang po, no? Inverted position, then count 3 seconds. Okay. Okay, so nagkakarga yung gas. Okay, kasi paminsan merong gas tank na hindi nagkakarga eh. Okay. Okay, lagyan natin ng BBs. Okay, so ngayon chronograph test tayo. Okay, testing natin yung chrono niya, kung ilang EPS. Okay, testing natin, chrono test. Firing. 341. Firing. 348. Firing. 349. Firing. 340. Okay. So, yun, naglalaro siya ng 340 to 350 EPS. Okay, so tetestingin na natin. Ubusin natin yung bala. Okay, Sir Nald, test fire again. Firing. Okay, so nag-open slide siya, ibig sabihin wala ng bala. So, ito po yung technique para paano ang pagbalik ng slide. So, ganito po, ano? Gayahin nyo lang po ito. Release the magazine. And then, etong slide, kasi kaya po namin to ginagawa para maiwasan natin na in the long run, so in the future, yung uka na yan, yung part na yan, yung pinagkapitan ng slide stop, slide release. Kapag habitual yung ginagawa to, itong ganito, yan, ganyan. Katagalan kasi yan, ito, mauupod yan or mabubungi. So, para hindi siya mabungi, diba, pag nag-open slide siya, ang gawin nyo, pull back nyo tong slide, yan, hanggang sa gumit na siya. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo yung slide, at saka yung slide stop, slide release, yan, nasa gitna. Ngayon, pag nasa gitna na yan, tsaka mo siya ibababa. So, pag nakababa na yung slide stop, slide release, tsaka mo siya bitawan, yung slide. Okay? Kasi, kung kapag ganito palagi, sir, ang gagawin, yan, pag ganyan, katagalan kasi, ito, yung part niya, hindi naman talaga siya real steel eh. So, malambot lang yan na pagkabakal. So, katagalan, pag yan ay napudpod, nauka, yung uka na yan napudpod or nabungi, so, may tendency na hindi na siya mag-open slide. Okay, so pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng recoil buffer na katulong rin yung recoil buffer para maingatan natin yung slide. Okay, so ngayon, itetest naman natin yung extra magazine mo, sir. Okay, Sir Nald, ito yung extra mag mo. So, itetest fire natin. Okay, so by the way, check pala natin yung manual safety, no? Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo kanina kung gumagana ba siya, okay? So, bago mo siya ma-activate yung manual safety, kailangan yung hammer niya naka-down. Naka-down yung hammer, okay? Hindi siya naka-rest. Kailangan nakababa yung hammer. And then, yan, working siya. So, pag binaba mo siya, and hindi engage yung beaver tail safety, so pag kinalupit ko yan, hindi rin siya gagana. Okay? So, working yung beaver tail, working din yung manual safety. Okay? So, test natin yung extra magazine mo, sir. Firing. Okay, so nag-open slide ulit. So, ito yung extra mag. Ito naman yung stock. Okay, yung kaninang na-test natin. Okay, so ganun ulit, sir. Yan. Pull back lang ng konti. Down yung slide, stop, slide, release, and then release the slide. Okay, hammer down for safety. Okay, so okay na po, sir, ang inyong unit. High Kappa T-Rex na semi-automatic version, silver slide, black frame. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong kung full metal ba ang T-Rex, so ito po yung sagot. Ang T-Rex o ang High Kappa po is metal slide, metal yung slide, metal yung lower frame, this part, and this part is a polymer frame, a polymer grip. Okay, this one is metal, this one is metal, yung slide. Ito lang yung polymer, yung grip niya. Okay? So, hindi po siya totally full metal. Okay? Ang full metal po natin is 1911 and Beretta. Okay? So, thank you, Sir Nods, for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. If you have more questions, just message us sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.